For many, many years. As I pick that up, we're going to be there for a long.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm so thankful for my subscribers and listeners. Previous video, I was a little frustrated because I couldn't get the screen to look like, and I'll show it to you right now when I turn it on, to look like the screen here, which is the black background. No matter what I did, it was this white background with black lettering or gray lettering, which I didn't like. Neither did Fred in the shed, but he didn't figure out, at least on the show, how to do it. But several of my subscribers gave me some suggestions, and I finally got it fixed. And it's kind of multi-step to get to it. And I've been trying to repeat it for the past 20 minutes and struggling, so I got my notebook out and made myself some notes. So hopefully I can quickly show you how I did it with the help of my subscribers. Okay, so you go to hold down mode, get to the menu system. Now, you'll notice this menu system is different than what I showed you before. Not to go back and change it because it'll take me half an hour to get it back. Let me just turn this other radio on. And this is the default menu system. I guess they call this the simplified. That's what this radio was set up. I didn't know, because I didn't read the manual, there was an alternative, which is a detailed menu system, or they call it advanced. So I got it in the advanced mode, and then I noticed all these other options. Well, these are the basic options, but if you use this wheel, you'll see there's other ones, and then when you select one, there's more under the sub options than there was on the other screen. Have I confused you? Oh boy, I know I'm confused. So anyway, so I got it written down here. So I go to main screen, which I was. Then I go to system usage mode. And I probably can't find it. System usage mode. Oh, and I got to go, first I got to go to main settings. Then I go to system usage mode. And this is, I believe, originally, let me go down to, I think it says classic. Yeah, I'm in advanced mode now, which gives you those additional options. There's a simple mode. That's the way the radio comes. There's the mode you want. So I select that. Now, if I go to advanced mode, I did that. Now if I go back to display settings, whoops, then under display settings, I should see somewhere, maybe it's down on the bottom here. Yeah, invert, see if I can get up higher. Invert screen color, that's the one. That's the one. So you have to get into this advanced mode to change that screen color, but it's really the colors that it gives you, which it gives you either the black or some colors on black or some colors on white. And the default was the radio came with on white, which I didn't like, and Fred in the shed didn't like either. So Fred, I know Fred doesn't watch my show, but anyway, maybe I should send him a text to one of his shows telling him this is how you do it. This is one way. I got several other ways, suggestions of ways to try to do it, but this one worked, so I just said, okay, I got it, I'm going to stop. So now, if we go back, the other thing I struggle with is which button you push when you're in the menus. Okay, so we're back. So there it is. And it's much better in real life than my camera's picking it up. My camera's kind of showing it as a kind of a grayish background. It's not grayish. That's due to the reflections. The screen is very reflective. Okay. What I need to tell you about this radio is you must read the manual before you start using it. You are going to be frustrated just like I was. Thank you for my subscribers and my viewers for the suggestions that helped me get out of this mess. Whew. I might even, reading the manual, I might even be able to figure out how to hook it up to Wi-Fi, or I think it also has Bluetooth. I don't know. I have to check that. Seemed like I saw some mention of Bluetooth. So that solves my problem. Now I can do some other things with this radio and have a nice screen with a black background. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, wish you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.